All right, guys, so today we're doing some yacht training and we're going over a few things. One thing we're going to go over is the sea strainers for the ACs. I'm going to show them how to bleed the motor. Weldon, just so you guys know, he bought the 37 Regency, right?
Yes, sir.
And we're getting ready to start his training. Yesterday we did some boat training outside, and today I'm going to share a video with you guys of him actually driving the boat, because this is his first day and this is a single screw with a thruster. And I love teaching the young guys. They're so much easier. I will give him that. He did amazing yesterday. So today I'll show you guys some video of him actually docking the boat, and we'll see what happens today. Hopefully he does it as good as he did yesterday, or if not better. All right, folks, so we're gonna pull the power line off here, and then disconnect our ropes, and then we'll get out here, and we're just gonna practice putting the boat in and out of the slip. Like I always say, any fool can drive a boat, put one in the slip. So that's what we're gonna practice this morning. Practice, practice, practice. Okay, so we're in crystal, just absolutely perfect conditions here. And you're gonna do your first bump turn of the day. And we're gonna pull this thing out of the slip. We are completely on tide. We're both on the boat and just absolutely perfect conditions. So let's go ahead and hit reverse and take it on out. So he's got his rudder cut all the way to the right. And then when he makes his turn, he's going to want his back end coming that way. That's the natural way that the boat's coming out of the slip right here. And I've always tell everybody, man, make sure you take all the real estate you can. So he needs to come back. He's probably got a neutral right now, sounds like. And he's coming back, back, back. Okay, cut your wheel and forward. Right now, forward, yep. And now he's bump turning, so he will come back. There you go, hit reverse, forward, no thruster, excellent. And now he just drives the boat out of here. Nice job on the bump turn out of here, big guy. Woo. Hey, you even got some boats today, look at that. You're gonna have to get boats to worry about. Bro, I've had people struggle on this turn in twin screws right here. So this is you got to come in the marina here and you got to make this sharp corner in and out of here. And for today, what I want you to do is just practice turning right here in the turning basin, and then we'll head right back into the slip, and we'll just do a couple of morning slips like this, and then we'll go for a quick little ride. I'll take you over to Mobile Bay, get you in and out of the slip a few times, and then maybe we'll throw this anchor out so that you know how to throw that anchor out. That was a perfect bump turn, just all the way around, nice and clean. Oh, stayed right in the center of the channel. Whew. It doesn't get any sexier. Oh my God, it just doesn't get any prettier than this. You got lucky with the weather here. Slow as pro, but you got to carry something, you know what I'm saying?
Yes.
You ready, big guy? Let's nail this one.
We hope we are, don't we? Starting to go late, but it's getting gas this time. I'm missing this 100%.
No, you ain't. You hit reverse. Stop it. Stop your boat. There you go. Now forward, bump it. Maybe a little thruster. What's wrong with that docking?
I don't know.
It's perfect.
As long as
You need to start your turn a little earlier.
Yes.
All right. Look at that.
Go around by turning my nose.
Yep. Correct.
Like this.
Now maybe a little thruster away from the dock.
Yes, sir.
Not too much.
Let my tail do it.
Get a little. All right, now stop. Put it in neutral. I get over to the dock there, and then I want you to go down and grab your center line and get it all tied off.
So bring it to a stop
Yeah.
first? Okay.
Yeah.
I don't want to feel. If I'm wrong, you tell me.
Oh, you're perfect. Now go down and deal with it. Get your boat tied off. Put it in neutral. And just put that center cleat on. Did that 100% by yourself, boss.
Good deal.
That's it. Now I'll go tie off your rear line. Cleat that one off, boss. I call that a success.